everybody. This is Caitlin and Mike here from Mechanics of Music Studios. We are going to play Silent Night, and we hope that you play along with us. Download the chords and the lyrics below, or if you have the Daily Ukulele book, you can play along. It's on page 308. We've got our ukuleles, and we're ready to rock. Well, I don't know if this song quite rocks, but we're going to...
It more rolls.
Sways. And speaking of that, it's in 3/4 time. And so we'll do down, down, up, down. 1, 2.